Next, the eigenvalues of this matrix given, right? So, eigenvalues means sum of eigenvalues equal to 3 plus 3, 6, 12, right? Product of eigenvalues, that is determinant A. That means through this row and column expand 9 minus plus I square, that is 8. Then product 8 getting, right? Sorry, 6 into 18. Through 6 we have to 8. So 48, right? So sum 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12. 6 into 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 6, 48. So this is correct, right? Alright, this is because of I square come product. So minus come, minus 48 not in answer. Here high come, I is not in the answer. Here 0 come product, that also not in the answer. So this is the correct, right? Alright. Alright, so this all about a JAM paper discussion, right? Previously asked questions from linear algebra. Thank you.